Good morning, picture goers. It's very early in the morning and just completed doing the stabilizer and the fitting the metal geared servo, the linkage and the extension lead, which will go up to the front. Let's have a look, see if it's working. Trying to work out the amount of leverage in the pivot point to give me enough control, and I think that'll do it. It's got to have a slight positive incidence. The stabilizer on the other side isn't fitted yet to enable me to take it all off and finish the model before I put it on for good, but I think that'll do. Bye!